Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling this larger kit. It's the M35 or M55 howitzer, depending on which listing you buy. This will be for both. The only difference is the gun. So I'm going to organize all the parts here. The first step is clipping away the sprues. So part by part, let's piece it out. All right, then there's this here. That piece is done. Clean up that little sprue there. Then there's a sprue here, in addition to the support plastic. And continuing along, there's a big piece there. And there's that piece there. A lot of sprues in this kit. Cleaning up all the sprues. So now we're done the sprues. Now let's start to remove the support plastic from underneath these guns. So which gun you receive will be depending on the listing you buy from. The M55 or 53, I believe. Yeah. That's good. So now let's do this gun, and that will be we will be done with our clippers and start gluing after that. Mission accomplished. Now let's start to glue. There's a lot of pieces in this kit, so gotta pay attention to all of this. This is actually the front, and this actually will be gluing onto the kit like so. So let's get some glue. Get our first piece glued here. We're going to glue this here. And just make sure that they line up well there. Very good. Whoop, I found a sprue. Gotta clean that up. Alright, so the next piece to glue, let's put some glue here. Use the flat surface of the table to help guide that piece in. Alright, what's next is I'm gonna put some glue here, some glue on this edge, glue on that edge, and then let's put some glue on this edge too. And then let's get this piece glued into place. So the body of this tank is coming together. Why don't we let that dry for a bit, and let's move on to working in the next part of this kit. Alright, so the next part of this kit is put some glue here along this edge there, and then along that edge there too. The top surface needs to be smooth there. And then these little pieces need to line up well. So that's how that should look. There's that piece. So let's go ahead and get that piece there. You can put a little bit of glue there, there, and there. Now we can just slide that piece into place. Very good. All right, let's make sure the screws and stuff are all clean there. For this next one, let's put a little glue here. And a little glue on these edges there. And some glue there as well. Then you can slide that piece into place. Like so. And then next, here's that. Just put some glue here, here. And let's put some glue there and there just to help secure it all into place. Very good. So that's done. You can put your gun. The gun depends on the kit that you get. So, right. So see how that's working out. Looking pretty good. All right. So the next task is to glue these tracks on. Comes in different parts, not just the tracks. You first need to lay down this piece here. Like that. So carefully put that piece in place like that. Then we can put the other side. Just like that. Very good. And now you can put some glue on that. You can put our track on. And that one goes like that. And now let's put some glue on this other side, do the same thing. Just getting those axles into the center of the wheels of the tracks. All right, so now that is done. Very good. The next part is this scraper, this plow. Put some glue there and then put that piece like that. All right, so the next is these little pieces. And that will probably need some tweezers. So put that piece like that. Okay, we're going to let that dry. Put this turret on there. Here's the back. What you can do is glue it in there, or just place it in there, or if you're advanced enough, you can drill little holes and put some wire in there or something. There's that, and then you can have your gun, glue in the gun, or have double-sided tape or something where you can change out the gun if you wish. But there it is, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.